Don Luke Electronics. The Alpha Geek, geeking out. If you go to bed at night without learning something new that day, your day is not complete. Luke Paquin, 1973. Project number 29, DFRobot, temperature humidity, Mk09. Temperature-humidity relationship. Temperature is something that tells us about the coldness or warmness of any object, which is generally measured in Celsius. It determines the intensity of the heat, whereas if we talk about humidity, it talks about the water content that is present in the air, or simply we can say it determines the moisture of the air. These two concepts are different but show a great impact on each other. We will see the relation between temperature and humidity further below. Before that, let's understand more about humidity and its types. Absolute humidity, relative humidity. There are generally two types of humidity, i.e., absolute and relative. The former tells the humidity present in a parcel of air without taking temperature into consideration, whereas the latter tells the humidity present in the air concerning the temperature of the air. The former defines the amount of water content by dividing the weight of the parcel by its volume, whereas the latter is calculated by dividing the amount of water content present divided by the total capacity of the parcel of the air to hold multiplied by 100. The former decreases with height, whereas the latter, when reaching 100%, the air gets saturated. Relation between relative humidity and temperature. We have already learned what is temperature and what is humidity, and we have also learned two types of humidity. As we know, both these two concepts, i.e., temperature and humidity, are different but they are related to each other. The relation between humidity and temperature formula simply says they are inversely proportional. If temperature increases, it will lead to a decrease in relative humidity, thus the air will become drier, whereas when temperature decreases, the air will become wet, means the relative humidity will increase.
Now the project here, temperature, humidity here, the Arduino programming here, pins here for here, and tools here. The Firefly expressive here, battery here, and switch here, and beacon here, and the humidity and temperature forecast here. So beacon here, and that's it. And no beacon software here, this here, and see here, the software here, the slave here, and this, and it pens here. So good. And the Bluetooth public here, so perfect. And now I'm enable for this, pins here and pins here, this here, this and this, slave here, the beacon here, and this, and leg here, and that's it. And now this here, this and this, and execute, and this for software here, and this. So now channel here, and here this, and perfect the tools, and after the burn for the beacon, and that's it. Now the microcontroller here is Robot 5 plus expressive ear. So this, the here, battery here, and keyboard switch here, and that's it. This, the beacon here, this humidity and temperature here, and the battery here. So good. This, the temperature, humidity, and that's it. And now the Arduino here, the version, and this Bluetooth keyboard here for Bluetooth here, send the beacon here, this here. Now the keyboard Bluetooth for this, length, and this, the temperature, humidity, and data, and this, and humidity, data, and this, and scan. This, the callback here, the beacon here, and this, the name here, and this, and data here, this software here, and humidity data, and that's it. Switch here, and state here, les here, version here, scan here, and the temperature, humidity, and switch, and delay here, and that's it. The setup for beacon here, and that's it. And the temperature, the humidity, and this, and that's it. Bluetooth keyboard here, and right here, and that's it. The temperature here, temperature, the data here, and humidity data here, and version in this, and temperature and humidity, and that's it. And setup here, Bluetooth keyboard here, this switch for scan here, the switch here, les here, and delay, and that's it. Now the the battery here, and LEDs here, and this here, this beacon here, and switch here, the computer, so the temperature, and this for Windows and Mac or Linux. So perfect. Now switch here, and this for me Mac here, and fine. So perfect. The temperature, humidity. Now Mac, the Bluetooth keyboard here, and this the temperature, humidity. So now the switch here, and see the temperature and humidity here, and this 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So perfect for temperature and humidity for the Bluetooth keyboard and sensor. So perfect. And now the good, so perfect for temperature, humidity. Bye bye.
Don Luke Electronics. https://www.jlpconsultants.com/luc. JLP Consultants. Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram.